to Great Escapes Bryan College Station, where family fun comes with a side of s'mores and sunshine.
From splashing in the water to roasting marshmallows by the fire, this is where families reconnect and the good times never clock out. Get ready to make a splash!
Spend your days cooling off in the resort-style pools or racing across the Whibbit Water obstacle course. Whether you're climbing, splashing, or soaking up the sunshine, the smiles keep coming.
The fun keeps rolling with family-friendly competitions and all-day laughs.
Bounce high on the jumping pillow, dig for hidden treasures at gem mining, hop aboard a scenic wagon ride, or rally the crew for a match on the pickleball court. Then head to the activities center for even more ways to play. With themed events, daily activities, and special appearances from Biscuit the Camping Corgi for possum character experiences, you'll never hear the words "I'm bored" while staying with us. When it's time to unwind, you've got options. Snuggle up in a cozy cabin or roll in with your RV. However you stay, it's all about slowing down, reconnecting, and soaking up every laugh-filled moment. Great Escapes Bryan College Station is your go-to for family fun, endless laughs, and the kind of memories you'll talk about long after the campfire's out. Ready to join the fun? Book your getaway today and start making memories at Great Escapes Bryan College Station.